Today, I'm going to share 17 proven freelancing skills that beginners are using to make money online. These freelancing ideas can help you earn up to $5,000 per month if you stay consistent and build your skills. Let's get started. 1. Copywriting. Copywriting means writing content that sells. Businesses pay copywriters to write ads, emails, and sales pages that turn visitors into customers. 2. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants help business owners with daily tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, and social media posting. 3. Creating online courses. If you know a skill, you can turn it into an online course. People earn money by teaching others through video lessons. 4. Building sales funnels. Sales funnels guide customers from interest to purchase. Many online businesses pay freelancers to build high-converting funnels. 5. Creating membership websites. Membership websites offer paid content on a monthly basis. Freelancers build and manage these sites for recurring income. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers promote products and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through their links. 7. Photography. Photographers can sell photos online or work with clients for product, lifestyle, or event photography. 8. Graphic design. Graphic designers create logos, banners, ads, and branding materials for businesses and creators. 9. Starting a digital agency. Instead of working alone, freelancers can build an agency by outsourcing work and managing clients. 10. Managing paid ads. Businesses hire freelancers to manage ads on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and YouTube Ads. 1. Designing landing pages. Landing pages are designed to convert visitors into leads or buyers. This is a high-demand and high-paying freelancing skill. 12. Website testing. Website testers review websites and give feedback on design, speed, and user experience. 13. Blogging. Bloggers earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content by building traffic over time. 14. Web development. Web developers create websites and web applications for individuals and businesses. 15. Online tutoring. Online tutors teach students skills or subjects through video calls and online platforms. 16. Content writing. Content writers create blog posts, articles, and website content to help businesses grow online. 17. Freelance consulting. Experienced freelancers offer consulting services to help businesses solve specific problems. These were 17 freelancing skills that can help you make money online. You don't need to start with everything. Just pick one skill, learn it well, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.